The day trip. The day trip. Okay, practice the words. Are, he, of, there, what, being, I, one, day, when, come, into, says, to, you, do, love, she, today, fool, me, something, was. Today Peppa Pig and George are on a day trip with Mommy and Daddy. Daddy Pig says, I used to come here when I was a student to look at objects of historical interest. Peppa, George have no clue what Daddy Pig means. Peppa and George have no clue what Daddy Pig means. Mommy Pig explained that they will see lots of interesting things. Peppa and George are eager to look around. At the ticket booth, they're paying Miss Rabbit. Enjoy! The first room has displays of things that belongs to kings and queens. Wow, cries Peppa, but George is not impressed. Mommy Pig says, this was a queen's crown, Peppa. The crown gleams in the light. Peppa is thrilled. She beams. I love it. Peppa's daydream that she is sitting in a queen's royal set. Mommy Pig saying, may we bring you something to eat, Queen Peppa? Yes, a big cream. They continue into the T-Rex room, but George is dismayed. The T-Rex is not there. Peppa spies a bird and a leaf. Then George looks up and leaps with joy. They have found the T-Rex. George shouts, real one. The skeleton reaches the roof. George lifts his toy up to the T-Rex and lets out a loud roar. George stomps around being a T-Rex. He has a mouth full of big teeth. Peppa runs away and shouts, do not eat me. They reach the end of the displays. Daddy Pig leads the way to the tea room. This is the part of the day Daddy Pig enjoys the best. That's true. Her job on the shop. Bells in a shop. He sells food in the park. He can fix the car and the bus. Miss Rabbit has hurt her foot. Her job is to get better. Get well soon, Miss Rabbit.